Hey guys, here is a Snow White Casablanca Panama II ceiling fan. This fan is from the 4th of December 2003. It has a 4 spotlight kit. I got this fan along with another Panama II. The other one was a 3-speed model with no light kit and a 1-foot down rod. They were made on the same day, so that's kind of interesting. And of course this one was missing one thing, and of course it was the control, but I do have a spare, so I'm using that for it now. Anyway, test it out. Here's the light. For some reason it doesn't want to dim, and I'm not sure why, but that's about the best we're going to get here. Whatever. Speed 1. Came with the canopy and everything like that too. It even came with the bulbs. I would have rather had the control than the light bulbs, but you know, what can you do? I've always liked how these spotlight kits look on the Panamas. But same thing with the Deltas, I like how they look on there too. It's about your average Panama low. The next speed. From my knowledge, this one does not wobble as much as the other one did. There's speed 3. Also the tone, it's kind of dull on this one. It's not as loud as they usually are, which is strange, but speed 4. Show up the light real quick. There we go, I got it to dim. Speed 5. Speed 6. Does have a slight wobble. That's not a huge deal. Yeah, pretty cool looking fan, I will say. I thought like it. But anyway, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.